Hi friends, whey is a byproduct of cheese making, and if you're a cheesemaker like I am, you're constantly finding yourself with too much whey. So I'm always looking for recipes to use it up. Well, today I have something special for you. I'm making caramel, and it just might be the creamiest, most decadent caramel you've ever tasted. So come into my kitchen. Let me show you how to make caramel with whey. Start with 1 gallon of whey and reduce it down by simmering it for about an hour and a half. And once you've simmered it down to about a quart, we'll begin to add the other ingredients. Now I'm using whey from a batch of Havarti I made recently, which means it's a sweet whey. And in order to continue this recipe, I'm going to need to add some acid. So that's what we're going to do first. While the whey was simmering down to the 1 quart measurement, you could stir it occasionally. But now that we're starting to add the ingredients, it's time to stay on this a little more. You don't want to walk away from this or it'll scorch just like that. So let's go ahead and add the ingredients. We'll start with a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And to it we'll add 1 cup of sugar. And a 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Now vanilla is the standard for this recipe, but if you want to spice things up a little bit, you could always add almond extract. And I like to add almond extract when I make panna cotta with almonds. And the last ingredient is a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Adjust the heat to a low to medium boil and then stir constantly. While I'm stirring, let me explain to you the differences between sweet whey and acidic whey. Sweet whey comes from cheeses made with rennet, and acidic whey will come from cheeses made with either vinegar or lemon or lime. And the first cheese I can think of with that would be ricotta. If you're choosing to use sweet whey, just make sure that you add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice or lime juice to the mixture. I wish you could smell this right now. It smells fantastic. Buttery, caramely, sweet. Oh, I can't wait for this to be done. I am very close to the end, and I'm stirring vigorously because this really is a make or break moment. You don't want this to scorch. So just take it to your desired consistency, and I think I'm right about there because I know that this is about to thicken when I pull it off the heat. So I think it's time. Let's pull this off the heat. So if you're a cheesemaker and you find yourself with too much whey, now you know how to make caramel with whey. It's a rich, delicious, and easy treat to make. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate your support. Like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode.